Can I make money just with the phone? Yes, I can, and actually it's pretty simple. All I have to do is to open a 100 euros image and get it. That's it. Joking aside, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 ways that you can make money just with the phone. So let's move on to our methods. The first method is YouTube. The reason why I put the YouTube at the first place is because it's the most profitable one, that's what I think, and I recommend it the most. It is possible to earn good amounts of money just with the phone. Of course, you may want to be more professional as you grow, as you start making money, but the important point is that you can only start with the phone. The cameras of today's phones now shoot super good. Even big YouTubers have shot videos with the phone. I believe you all have phones that shoot at least 1080p videos. I'm not asking for 4K or 8K. This is enough for start. I mean, my videos are also in 1080p. After that, you can also make thumbnails, edit, or you can upload your videos just with your phone. For example, you can use Quick, VN Editor, or CapCut programs for the editing. They're all free and available for both iOS and Android, so nothing is stopping you. You can pick up your phone, start in front of your window, or go outside, stabilize your phone with a tripod, and shoot your video. So you probably need to buy an extra tripod for $5 or something, but I mean, even that is not necessary. You can just take an object, put it, then put your phone. It does the job. Of course, you may need an additional microphone, a lavalier maybe, but I still believe that smartphones today have pretty good microphones, so you may even not need a lavalier microphone, but in case if you need one, you can buy one for $10, maybe $20, so that's the only investment. The main thing here is not how high quality videos you make. I mean, yes, this is a factor, but unless your videos have an annoying sound or you shoot with a wooden phone, I mean a video where we can see the pixels and count them. I don't think today's smartphones do that. The main thing here is how fun your videos are. You need to ask yourself why a viewer clicks my video. So what do I need to give the viewer? If I am an entertainment channel, I should entertain the viewer. If I give information about cryptos, I should give that info that I typed on the thumbnail, because that's what the viewer wants. If you do that, you can make it. Nobody is gonna comment you why you didn't shoot the video with a 4K or 8K cinematic camera. Your videos should grab attention. By the way, if it helps, there are so many videos on YouTube that teach you how to shoot videos with the phone. You can check them out if you want. The second method is website testing. In this method, what you need to do is quite simple. You go to a website like User Testing, Enroll, or Utest and test websites. Basically, website owners go to such sites and pay so you, testers, can test their websites and tell them what else they can do to make their website look or work better, or if there's any bugs, glitches, and stuff like that. Usually on such sites you need to have a microphone, but I think your phone's microphone would be enough, but even if not, you can just take a level microphone. You know, those microphones like you put there and it records. They're cheap. I got this for $1 or $2 and it's pretty good. In short, they send you a website, you open the website, you screen record, and while screen recording, you comment, you use the website and share your experiences, and you tell what else they can do, or like, look, there's a glitch, you can fix this, you need to fix this, and stuff like that. In fact, some sites doesn't even require you to have a microphone. They are basically just asking you questions like, you see the website and choose the answers, or choose or type something, but most of the sites want you to have a microphone. And after making some money, you can withdraw your money with PayPal. It's pretty simple. But can you make a living from this? I mean, I don't think so, but it can still be a good side hustle. Our third method is print on demand. We make money by designing on t-shirts, and don't worry, we can do print on demand just with the phone. I will tell you how in a minute. Now, you can do print on demand on websites such as Teespring, Redbubble, or Etsy. Here, all you have to do is to put a design on a t-shirt and share this design on your store within the website. After that, every time that you will get a sale, you don't have to do anything additionally, because those sites will print the product, print the t-shirt, and send the product to the customer. So you just do nothing. That's the good part. So let's see how we can do this just with a phone. First of all, you can download the Adobe Spark program for free from the App Store or Google Play. Then you can make any text-based design from this program. I mean, yes, it's kinda hard to make a drawing kinda design just with the phone. I mean, it's a phone screen, but still, if you can draw, if you can do it from phone, you can still do it. But there are also best-selling t-shirts on websites such as Teespring, Redbubble, or Etsy that just are text-based designs. I mean, they just type something. While you're designing, make sure that the resolution is 5000 by 5000, because we want the resolution to be high. I mean, those designs are gonna go for print, and that's why they need to be big. I would like to show you these parts with my phone screen recording, and unfortunately I can't do that because I don't have any storage on my phone. I will put a screenshot here. I will start recording from my phone when I get a new phone. I mean, I have iCloud, but still. Oh, one last thing. When you save the design to your gallery as a transparent image, if there is any watermark in the image to the corners, you can just crop the image just a little bit and you don't have to worry about the watermark anymore. Finally, all that remains is to share the design. For this now, I will give an example on Redbubble. When you enter the Redbubble website on your phone, you can log into your account and click the Add New Work button. It will be a big red Add a New Work button. Click that, and after that you just choose your design, and after that you got it, I think. Because on that part you just choose the products that you want to sell, the prices for each product, and the colors. Of course, you will not start getting sales immediately after sharing these designs. You need time and you need to promote yourself. You need to advertise your products. You need to get your products together with the customers. I mean, of course, there is an organic traffic on each website, but it would be better to make your own advertisement. It would increase your chances of getting any sale, but that's up to you. After that, you can start making some money. I mean, I already have a video on my channel that I try print on demand, so if you want, you can check that video too. The fourth method is to sell the items that you do not use anymore on Facebook Marketplace. I'm sure that you have items that you do not use anymore. Whether it's a book you have read or finished, or it's your bike with a flat tire that you don't use anymore. If they are in bad condition, you can fix them and then sell them. There are so many people on the internet that buy used items, and if you don't use an item anymore, it's pretty logical to sell it and turn it into money. Even when you move things forward, when you have money in your pocket, you can find cheap items on the internet, used items, and buy them so you can sell them for profit. I mean, there are situations like some people just want to sell the items, so they sell it for a cheaper price than it is, that it worth. So you can buy those products and sell them for a profit, or you can buy items that are in bad condition, then you can fix them and then sell them for profit. Of course, you need to consider how much time and money you're gonna spend on those items and see if it's profitable or not. For example, you found a phone on the internet with a broken glass. You can buy the phone and fix the glass, which is something that can be learned. You can type it on Google or on YouTube and find how to do it. Then when you fix the glass, you can sell the phone for profit. Frankly, I can't use this method on myself. I mean, you see, there are books that I've already read 2 times. Or maybe 3. But I just can't sell them. I don't know, I just want them to be there. Sometimes I open them, read a section, read for 10 minutes. I just love my books and I can't sell them. I don't know, it probably sounds silly, but that's how it is. The last and 5th method is creating an Instagram page. Opening an Instagram page is risk-free since you don't have to invest anything. You don't need any money to start. You just have to take some time. I mean, if you open a theme page, even easier. What is a theme page? To put it briefly, you post things that already have been posted by someone else. You take that post and reshare it on your own page. But don't worry, there won't be any problem unless you tag the owner of that content. I mean, he will get free promo and you will get free content, so it's a win-win situation. So let's take a closer look at what we need to do step by step. The first thing that you need to do is to determine a niche, a topic. It could be animals, it could be holiday, it could be beauty or makeup, it could be cars, it could be luxury. You define a topic and open an Instagram page about that topic. After opening your Instagram page, you put a beautiful profile picture and type a beautiful biography to make our profile look more professional and more attractive. After doing all this, what we naturally need to do is to post something. And for this, we're gonna go to other pages that are in our topic and check their posts. See which posts have more likes than the average, more views than the average, and then download those posts and reshare them on your own page. And while doing this, check the description of those posts on other pages and see who the creator of that content is, so you can tag the creator on your own post. The last thing that we need to talk, and the most important thing, is to be organized. You need to make at least 1 post per day. Even better if you can do 2 posts per day. Keeping your engagement high will help you grow faster and it will increase the value of your page. And by value, I mean how much money you can make with that page. I mean, there isn't only one way of making money from Instagram. There are multiple ways that you can make money from Instagram. The first and the most profitable way is to make money with ads. So when you grow your page, after a point, you will start getting DMs from small businesses that want to promote their products or services, and you can charge them to post their ad on your own page. The second method is to sell the page. I mean, this is one-time thing, so if you sell the page, you sell it, no more money. But it's your decision to make. If you want to sell the page, you can sell the page. The third method is to sell your product or your service, or just make an affiliate marketing. So you can put a link on your biography, and with that link you can sell your product or you can sell your service, or even you can put an affiliate link to make affiliate marketing. So when your followers click that link and buy that product or that service, you will get a commission. But can you make a living from this? Can you make a living with Instagram? Well, this is where things get a little bit messy, because you can make a good amount of money, but I can't say that it's reliable. If you're making money with ads, you just rely on other people to pay you to post their ads. And if there isn't any ads, you won't make money. I mean, selling your products is something different. This is more e-commerce category. You sell your products and make money. Speaking of e-commerce, in this video here, I try Shopify dropshipping. I try e-commerce for 1 week and try to make money, which I use Instagram for ads. So I'll see you again in that video here.